Today, we're taking a look at the all-new BMW X3 2026, a futuristic electric SUV that marks a huge leap forward in BMW's EV technology. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution. Starting with the design, the new X3 introduces BMW's next-generation, Neue Klasse styling. Up front, you get a sleek illuminated kidney grille, sharp LED daytime running lights, and a clean, aerodynamic look. From the side, flush door handles and bold wheel arches give it a modern SUV stance. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights complete the futuristic vibe. Overall, it looks more minimal, more aggressive, and definitely more premium than ever before. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 X3 comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup producing around 463 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 4.7 to 4.9 seconds, which is seriously quick for an electric SUV. Top speed is around 210 km per hour, and thanks to BMW's new Heart of Joy control system, the driving experience is smoother, smarter, and more responsive than ever. This is where things get really impressive. The X3 packs a massive 108 kWh battery with an advanced 800-volt architecture. That means ultra-fast charging up to 400 kilowatts, giving you around 350 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. And on a full charge, you're looking at up to 800 kilometers of range, making it one of the longest-range electric SUVs in its class. Step inside, and the X3 feels like a digital lounge. You get a massive 17.9-inch touchscreen, along with BMW's new panoramic vision display stretching across the windshield. It also features AI-powered voice control with Amazon Alexa integration, allowing natural conversations with your car. Plus, with features like vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid, your car can even power your house or devices. In terms of space, the X3 offers around 520 liters of boot capacity, expanding to 1750 liters with the seats folded. You also get advanced driver assistance features, smart AI systems, and a completely new electronics architecture powered by multiple high-performance computers. So, the 2026 BMW X3 isn't just another electric SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. With insane range, cutting-edge tech, and powerful performance, this might be one of the most important EVs BMW has ever made. What do you think about the new X3? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.